Hey guys, I am back today with my Mani box, May 2018, which has a dinosaurs theme from Beautometry. So this is my very first time getting one of these, and I am going to unbox it here for you. It is a service by Beautometry, and what they do is once a month they will put together a box of goodies for you that is stamping focused, and it includes stamping plates and then some other cool stuff. It's $35 is if you just want to buy the box price, but if you subscribe, it goes down depending on how many months you subscribe for. I've always been a subscription box kind of addict because I think it's always so fun to get something, open it up, have that surprise. It's kind of like Christmas every month, seriously. So, all right, let's take a look. Just take a look and see. All right, packaging stuff. Ooh, okay, so right off the bat, enjoy the stamping plate we designed and the magnetic nail polish by Mrs. Sparkle from the Netherlands. All right, that's exciting. All right, let's see what we got here. We have some beautiful little flowers, dried flowers, which I just did a dried flower mani that I'm going to show for you guys, so this would be great for that. Fallen Kingdom, my mani box, May 18. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. That's like, oh, I love the kind of the copper and the duochrome, and it goes a little bit green and those flecks in there. All right, let's take a look at it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it definitely looks like there's some kind of maybe hollow in there or just like some mega shimmer, so we'll see when I put it on, but man, that is beautiful. Yeah, I'm not really getting, I don't know, it's hard to tell in this light, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm very excited about that. That's gorgeous. All right, and then we have, I'm assuming that the plate is what's in here. And then, okay, and then there's something else in here. And since this is a magnetic polish, it said, I'm thinking that this must be a magnet. So let's look at that first. Oh, this is awesome. Look at this. Okay, so this is definitely, I'm wondering if this is a backing and then it maybe popped off, but this is definitely a magnet for sure. So we are going to play around with that. All right, now let's take a look at the plate. What is it that people like to see? There's, it's like the droopy, flowy stuff people like to watch on Instagram. So this is kind of like the opposite of that. Watching people shred things open probably makes you more anxious instead of calmer. Awesome. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so there's 3 plates in here. So we have a MoU London Mother Nature plate, and this one is Mother Nature Collection 19. And so, okay, one of the really cool things about this, hold on, let me get my thing. Here it is, here it is. One of the very cool things about something like this is it's very easy to use the free edges to do, you know, cool things. And I tell you guys that all the time. These would also, I think, these for my nails definitely fit as full image, but you could do like halvesies as well. And you've got several different, you know, roses and other things on there. All right. And then we've got Mother Nature 18. And these are the full nail images. And this looks like an XL plate because I definitely can fit my whole nail, no problem. And let me take a look here. Let's look, because I'm assuming that these are going to probably match up pretty well. But let's take a closer look at that. And yeah, I mean, I think a lot of the designs on here you definitely could mix and match. Like there's smaller flowers and roses like on here that I think would go beautifully with either of these. And as I'm looking at these two together, I realized this actually has 2 different kinds of flowers on there. And the same thing with this. This sort of goes from a thistle to a rose. And this is sort of like a wheat and a sort of a, this makes me think of like the crests and things from the English royalty and the, like a Tudor rose. That's what I'm thinking of, a Tudor rose. And then it goes kind of on into a similar but a slightly different design. So, okay, I see. So that's cool. So instead of just giving you one design, you have several designs here. That's pretty cool. And then, oh my goodness! Okay, this is a clear jelly stamper plate, and I love anything. I love layering stuff. I love clear jelly stamper plates. So this is so cool. And look at how detailed these dinosaurs are. Oh, those are just beautiful. And then you've got sort of more of the fossil-y type of leaves. That's really cool too. And a volcano with a little, you can do an exploding volcano. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. And then all of the tracks. I adore this. Okay, this is really, really cute. All right, so to recap, this is what we got here. We've got these 3 stamping plates. We've got this gorgeous polish, the flower, and the magnet. So, do I think this box is cool and worth the $35? I think it's absolutely cool, and I think it's absolutely worth $35 because I am not that great at addition, but oh my gosh, this is at least $10. This is at least $10. I think these are like $15, the clear jelly stampers. This for sure you're looking at, you know, $12 to $15 basic for a gorgeous polish like this. So already, what is that? That's already well over the $35 value. Plus you get these and you get these. Not only do you get some great product, oh, and just to mention, I think you guys already know my position on Moyu London plates. They are top-notch, best in the business, and every plate that I've used by Clear Jelly Stamper has been awesome. I've never tried Mrs. Sparkle before, so I'm looking forward to that, but man, is it beautiful. So you're getting top-notch quality products. The price, I think, is definitely worth it. And on top of it, you get a cool themed box that you get to open up every month, and who doesn't love that, seriously? And I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for watching. I will link down below. You know, it's like, Michelle, stop guessing what the stuff is and just open it up. Just open it up. You probably don't need to see me ripping and tearing and shredding. And, you know, magnetize. Your heart's gonna, ooh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Don't mess it up, Michelle. Don't mess it up.